How to remove your Facebook account from Instagram. What is up everybody? Welcome back to another quick tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily remove your Facebook account from your Instagram. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let's begin. The very first thing you want to do is open up your Instagram app and make sure that you are logged into the account from which you want to remove your Facebook. And from here, you just want to head over to your profile section at the bottom right, and then tap on the hamburger menu on the top right corner to head over to your settings. Now, right on top, you'll find your account center where you control all of your account's action. So just head over to your account center, and if you tap on profiles, you'll find all of your connected profiles on your account center. So what you want to do now is scroll all the way to the bottom and then tap on accounts. Here you'll see all of your accounts, so you'll just have to go ahead and tap on the account that you want to remove and then tap on remove account, and you can simply tap on remove account to get rid of this account from your account center. So that's pretty much it. You just have to continue from here, provide a password, and you're all set. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.